N-Heterocyclic carbenes, or NHC, are key compounds that can be used as organocatalysts, as ligands, or as reactants. However, they are highly moisture sensitive, which requires them to be manipulated in a glove box.
This procedure provides straightforward access to photolatent NHC in the form of photoactive imidazolium salts. When irradiated, these salts release bare NHC, allowing NHC to be generated on demand using photochemistry.
Once NHC carbenes have been photogenerated, the next step is to determine the quantity released. For this purpose, we present an original protocol based on a spectrophotometric titration using CNRS et titrant.
We demonstrate the potential of photolatent NHCs by applying them in photo-induced ring-opening metathesis polymerization of norbornene in miniemulsion, where they interact with a non-photoactive ruthenium precatalyst to form the active catalyst in situ.
To begin, place 1 gram of 1,3-dimethylamidazolium chloride in a 100 ml round bottom flask equipped with a stir bar. Add 30 ml of absolute ethanol and stir until the solid has completely dissolved. Place 1.35 grams of sodium tetraphenyl borate in another 50 ml round bottom flask equipped with a stir bar and dissolve it in 30 ml of absolute ethanol. Then, add the tetraphenyl borate solution to the stirring imidazolium solution dropwise. Once addition is complete,